I just rode the new Arctic Cat Catalyst, and it was beyond my expectations.
It rips good for a 600. It's got good power, real good.
If you didn't see the 600 on the side, you wouldn't believe it, at least on the tight trails that we're riding. It feels like an 800, so I can't imagine what an 800 in the Catalyst is going to feel like with that extra horsepower in it, as light and agile and snappy as it feels now.
You felt like you were part of the machine. Whatever you did, the machine reacted with you quickly. It's so easy to ride, so responsive. It's just like being a kid again. And I think that's what we're all looking for.